guys, my name is Mika, and today I'm going to be showing you a DIY Harry Potter wand. Now, a couple weeks ago, I did a Harry Potter mystery wand unboxing, and I got my least favorite one, which was Draco's wand. It was just way too ordinary, way too plain, and in that video, I basically said that maybe I'll do some sort of DIY, and so yes, I definitely did, and I'm really proud of the way it turned out. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I made this wand. This was Draco's wand, but now it is my wand. You can barely even recognize it. So before I actually show you how I made it, I want to basically show you all the details. So this is leather. I actually got this leather for my bracers and I decided not to use any green, so I just use it for this. These are some very simple crystals from Michaels. This is a dark green crystal and the other ones are a light green crystal. I have these leaves and these little swirly bits that I got from Goodwill, and underneath the leaves is moss. Now, definitely my favorite part is the mushrooms. I made the mushrooms out of just polymer clay, and I didn't paint them. The clay was orange and that kind of beige color. Let's see if my camera can focus on the mushrooms. It's not really wanting to focus on the mushrooms, but you can see the basic gist of it. And then the vines right here is made out of hot glue, so you can see the detail there. So yeah, I think this is like the perfect wand for me, and not just because I made it, but because it's just, you know, it's got the mushrooms, it's got the vines and the leaves, it's super green. So yeah, this is the perfect Mika wand. So yeah, if you want to know exactly how I made this wand, just stick around and I'll do the normal time-lapse situation like I usually do. Oh, and I forgot to mention one thing. So you can't really see it because I kind of decided to put the leaves on top afterwards, but I put these little green strings right here and underneath, which you can't really see at all because I put the leaves on top, but that's a thing that I did. Anyway, here's me actually making the wand. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this project, please give it a like. If you want to see more projects like this, please go ahead and subscribe and check out my DIY craft or my Larp playlist. Let me know in the comments what you think of this. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope to see you in the next video.